Hey guys, back with another video. I'm with,
We're in turn one,
and we're
and I
making,
know how to hit the orange justice.
and we're making another video on Fun Monkey Horror since our last one blew up, got 400 views. So yeah, let's get back, or let's get to it.
Wait,
Let's
close
play.
your eyes first. Close your eyes first.
Alright, so I know they took out some maps. I forget which maps, but they added bear. They fixed forests, and I think they added
Should we go in there?
housing loop. I think that's all they added, bear and housing loop. So where should we
Should we go in
go?
housing loop first?
Yeah.
Go.
Whoa.
Look, bro.
I don't really want to be in here anymore, bro. It's
Go
kind of
down.
creepy. Where are you at? Bro, I'm stuck. What is this?
Pretty sure this one has like Freddy or something.
I gotta turn on my volume, bro. I'm actually so scared.
Oh,
Oh!
God, oh hell no.
I just saw him. I see him. Oh, I hear him. Go back, go back, go back. Where?
Oh no!
No! Yo, why is the door closed? I died.
Oh my God.
That's kind of fun. Yo, what the heck is that, bro? Oh, leave. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Oh my God. Get away. What? Hello? Hello? No, I'm not going to this, bro. What's going on? How did I get here?
Hello?
Yo, it teleported me to level basic. Alright, so
Now let's go to bear.
bro, I don't like bear that much, bro. It's kind of weird.
What's so bad about it?
Are you ready?
Was this one scary?
I don't like it, bro. Alright, so we have to go get that cheese. I don't even know what we're supposed to do in here, though. You ready? To go get the cheese?
Ready? Go.
Let's go.
You go back?
Yeah. Oh! He's coming. Leave me alone. I don't like this one, bro, because a bear is, like, not scary, but it is scary at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, bro. I don't like this, bro. Okay, you ready? No, I don't like this, bro. How do we do this, bro? I don't even know how to do this. How do we do this?
Now what do we get?
Hold up. I'm gonna turn my volume. I'm actually scared. Alright, you ready to just, like, run? Ready? Run that way, okay? That way.
I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you.
Oh, crap. Oh my God, there's more than one. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. I was dying down there.
I died.
I don't like this. It's scary, but not scary at the same time. I'm not explain it, bro. Bro, leave me alone. Hurry, let's go this way. I don't want to do this, bro. It's actually scaring me a lot. What are we supposed to do?
Get on here. Get on here.
Alright.
Wait, my headset battery's on like 15.
Bro.
Let's go do a different level.
Much, bro. That's scary. Alright. Where should we go? Should we go back in the maze?
Oh yeah, maze. I guess.
Remember last video, we didn't cover much of it because I was too scared, bro.
Alright, come on, let's just go. We'll decide you're gonna be a baby this time.
Yeah, stop being baby this time. Turn down my volume, you know. Hey, where you at?
Well,
Oh, you scared
me?
me? Let's go.
Come on.
Why am I glowing? What the heck? Oh my gosh! Get out of here. It's Siren Head. No, where are you going, bro? Where are you going? Oh my god, I'm typing it. Okay.
Return! Go back! Go back!
Hello.
Go back! Go back!
Oh my gosh, that was awesome when I first saw it. It scared me so badly. Alright, come here, look. Come here. So do you want to get free crystals?
Yeah.
Press that. I'll show you guys what it shows. Warning, these images might be scary to some viewers. Alright.
Yeah, watch, you can see the jump scare.
Yo.
Proceed it.
Walk out my back. Oh my gosh. I remember I entered on accident, bro.
Is there only one now?
What?
Is there only like one now?
No, there's 4. Always been 4. I just don't know where they are, and I don't feel like going out there to like grab them. Bro, I'm just like terrified.
I see one.
I know. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Oh my gosh, that scared me, bro. I don't know why that scared me so bad.
Alright, come on, should we keep going?
Should we?
Wait, it's not, I see it.
Oh, right there, get it. Oh! I was joking. I'm sorry. I'm not scared of you, psych. I'm joking. I'm sorry.
Wait, go, wait. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, look at that one. Look
Where?
at that orange one, bro.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Bro, I barely missed the jump scare.
Let's go. Alright, let's go back. In here. Should we go find them? Come here. Let's go find them. I'm scared. Bro, I hear something. I can hear something, can you?
How do you scale these trees
I'm
so
gonna-
good? Their branches are so thin.
I don't know. Yo, not that thing again. Yo, I just died somehow. And that thing's still after you? I'm just good at scaling trees, you know?
I'm good at scaling stuff, though. Bro, he's stuck in the tree.
Let's go find monsters. Yo, I'm scared, bro. I don't like that sound. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you shot. You thought. Run. Let me alone. Oh my gosh. That scared me so bad. Hello, hello there. Hello. Hello, mate. This is scary.
Wait, use your glow stick and like wave. Wave in circles.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
How did I not?
Run! Can't get up here, monkey. Oh no!
Bro.
Over here.
What's that? Can you check
I don't like it out here, bro. Run! Bro. Run. Oh yeah, we're so good, so good. Cracked. Hey. You guys.
Okay, my gear's at 2%.
Alright, let's go then.
Let's go this way. Wait, let's go this way. Keep running.
Oh!
We gotta reach the border of the map. No! Oh my god! Oh my
Oh,
god!
wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh heck no!
Yeah! Fight me, monster! No! I'm here. Well, that was fun. We didn't find anyone though.
My viewers are at 1%.
Alright, let's go then.
If I disconnect, then that means it's dead. It's,
Alright, well, I'm not going out there to have you disconnect, bro, because I'm gonna be the only one out there.
Alright.
This place is creepy. It's gonna sit on this log, you know? We're gonna sit on this log for our last moments of our life.
Yeah, bro. Suicide.
Bruh.
What?
No, never do
So,
that. Never do that.
how's the campfire? Is it nice today?
Yeah.
You're gonna disconnect, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bro. You're gonna disconnect. Rah! Alright, our last map. Blur 9 isn't that scary. It's just a pink Pac-Man. That's a Sonic jump scare. I don't even know what the point of it is, though. Oh, come get me. Come get me. Oh my gosh, you just got juked, bro. Actually, oh my gosh. Leave me alone. You just got juked, bro. You just got juked. Oh my gosh, you got juked. Oh my god. No! Hey. Oh
Watch,
my
I can
god.
run through him.
I just juked him.
Bro, when the jump scare doesn't even work.
I know. Well, it's like a Sonic, bro. It's like on and off. I don't know why it doesn't work.
Bro, I can juke this kid so bad.
Yahoo!
Ankles.
Ankles. Yo, he has music to him.
1 second.
Alright, guys. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, hope to see you in the next one. See ya.